So this video will be how to configure arcade buttons, and I'll have a few auto config files for some Wii games, some NES games, and I think a few Nintendo 64 games. So to do that, first go to settings, then go down to UC input, then open menu controls, and turn off swap, OK, and cancel buttons. This will make it so your B button doesn't do A button controls, and your A button won't do B button controls in the menu. It'll make them do what they're supposed to do. And then go to port 1 and do it the same way you always configure buttons by clicking enter. And set this one to up, this one to down, this one to left, this one to right, this one to B, this one to A, this one to X, and this one to Y, and then the top two select start where you can see on the stickers. Then if you want those config files for the games, go to my link in the description. It'll take you to my Google Drive, and then download that, and then go to the config folder in RetroArch and go down till you see remaps, and then just put them in there, and it'll load them up automatically when you open RetroArch, and then just save your configuration file. And for those game remaps, it'll do it for player 1, but you'll need to copy players 1 over to player 2 if you have multiple players for your buttons.